Treasury yields are dropping this morning. As I speak to you right now, we've got the 2-year down 7 basis points. The 5-year and the 10-year are down 10 basis points each. I've now got the 5-year at 442 on the yield side, the 10-year at 441. 2's inversion is back to negative 41 from negative 38 on Friday. 30 years down 9 basis points at 456. All of this on PMIs that were slightly lower or as expected across the board in the UK, in the EU, in Canada, and the small to medium-sized business PMI in the US was the same, but the US ISM manufacturing PMI fell to 48.7 from 49.2. It was expected to rise to about 49.6 and get closer to expansion territory. One of the biggest weak points in the ISM data was manufacturing new orders in the US, which fell to 45.4 from 49.1, so much deeper into contraction territory. Despite the yield drop, stocks are falling as I speak to you right now. The only one that's up is the NASDAQ. It's up by 14 basis points, but you've got the Dow down 0.6%, the S&P and the Russell down 0.2% each. Why would that be? Well, this is economic weakness, and it doesn't look like the Fed's going to be doing anything at their next meeting in terms of cutting rates. We are, by the way, in the quiet period, so there's going to be no Fed speak to report until we get up to next week's meeting. We had no OPEC surprise. The group has decided it will extend its collective cuts to the end of 2025 and will only add more cuts if the market allows. Absent any of that, they'll start resuming more robust production as of November 2024. We'll see how that goes. It's only going to be a small increase in toward the end of the year if they actually go through with it. Now, looking ahead to earnings, after the close today, only 2 companies reporting with a market cap of over $1 billion or more, one of them being GitLab. Tomorrow before the open, we get 4 of those types of companies, $1 billion or more in market cap, including Bed Bath & Body and Donaldson Industrials. Data tonight, retail sales data in the UK. Tomorrow, EU employment change, JOLTS jobs data in the US and factory orders.